Snacking is more than just a way to curb hunger, it's a chance to explore flavors, textures, and creativity. While chips, cookies, or the typical Haaman cheese sandwich have their charm, there's a whole universe of snacks waiting to surprise and delight, from sweet to savory, crunchy to creamy, and simple to sophisticated. Snacks have the power to turn an ordinary moment into something unforgettable. Today, we dive into the world of unique and irresistible snacks that anyone would love. Let's start with a classic upgrade. Imagine a toasted artisan baguette stuffed with melted brie, fig jam, and toasted almonds. The combination of sweet, salty, and crunchy creates a snack experience that is far beyond the ordinary. It's not just eaten, it's savoring every bite. This kind of snack shows that a few carefully chosen ingredients can make an everyday treat truly special. For a fresher, more tropical approach, consider a tropical wrap. In a soft tortilla, layer grilled chicken, mango slices, fresh arugula, a drizzle of yogurt-based sauce, and crushed cashews. The sweet juiciness of the mango paired with savory chicken and crunchy nuts creates a flavor explosion. It's portable, easy to assemble, and perfect for lunchboxes or a light, satisfying meal on the go. For adventurous eaters, Asian-inspired snacks offer an entirely new palette. Steamed bo buns filled with marinated pork, crisp cucumber, and shredded carrots are a perfect example. The soft, pillowy bun and the rich, flavorful filling create a balanced snack that's both fun and indulgent. Snacks like this demonstrate how combining ingredients from different cultures can yield surprising and delicious results. Sweet snacks shouldn't be overlooked. A chocolate brioche stuffed with hazelnut cream and fresh strawberries offers a bite that's both comforting and exciting. The soft bread, rich chocolate, and fresh fruit create a sensory experience that's perfect for afternoon treats, brunches, or even a self-indulgent snack moment. Sweet snacks can be as memorable as savory ones, providing that satisfying wow factor. Interactive snacks can also be a hit, especially at gatherings. Think of mini sandwiches cut into fun shapes and speared with Fill them with cheese, tomatoes, and leafy greens, and suddenly a snack becomes playful and visually appealing. These bite-sized treats are perfect for kids' parties or casual get-togethers with friends. The more interactive, the more fun and, the more memorable. Texture, color, and flavor are key elements in creating an unforgettable snack. A crunchy base with a creamy filling, a mix of sweet and salty, or a combination of fresh and cooked ingredients can elevate a snack from ordinary to extraordinary. Unique snacks don't need to be complicated. Sometimes, simply experimenting with unusual combinations is enough to captivate the palate. Vegetarian and vegan snacks are also full of potential. Imagine a whole grain sandwich with hummus, avocado, shredded carrot, sprouts, and a dash of black pepper. Healthy, colorful, and nutrient-packed. These snacks prove that plant-based options can be just as satisfying as traditional meat-based ones. Creativity knows no limits, and vegan snacks are a perfect playground for flavor experimentation. Mini versions of classic international dishes can also become snack stars. Tiny tacos, sliders, bruschettas, or sushi-inspired bites are ideal for snack lovers. Mini tacos with spiced meat, cheese, and guacamole are simple yet enticing. Gourmet sliders, though small, pack incredible flavor and charm. Bruschettas topped with tomatoes, basil, and melted cheese offer sophistication and bite-sized form. Even sushi rolls can be reinvented into snack-friendly versions, combining rice, vegetables, and proteins in portable bites. Presentation matters just as much as taste. A visually stunning snack attracts attention and enhances enjoyment. Vibrant bread, neatly arranged toppings, and decorative garnishes can transform even a humble snack into a gourmet experience. Creativity in presentation elevates the snack from functional to extraordinary. Pairing snacks with the right beverages enhances the overall experience. Fresh juices, iced teas, smoothies, or specialty coffees complement flavors and textures, creating a complete sensory journey. A snack is more than the food itself, it's the combination of taste, aroma, and even the mood it sets. Themed snacks can be particularly captivating. A Mexican-inspired snack, an Italian-style bruschetta, or Japanese-inspired bow can transport anyone to a different culture. Stuffed peppers, garlic bread with melted cheese, or Asian-style filled buns provide a sense of adventure without leaving your kitchen. Themes add context, excitement, and even storytelling to the snack experience. The key to memorable snacks is daring combinations. Don't shy away from mixing sweet with salty, soft with crunchy, or traditional with exotic ingredients. Snacks are the perfect opportunity to experiment and innovate. Even simple ingredients can shine when paired in unexpected ways. Ultimately, unique snacks are about more than flavor, they evoke emotions. A well-crafted snack can trigger joy, curiosity, and nostalgia. Every bite becomes an experience, not just sustenance. Snacking is an opportunity to delight the senses, connect with culture, and explore creativity. To master unique snacks, Start by experimenting with unusual combinations, exploring new textures, and paying attention to color and presentation. The snack is more than food. It's a chance to create memorable moments for yourself, family, and friends. Whether savory, sweet, or somewhere in between, a thoughtfully designed snack can transform an ordinary break into an extraordinary one. Remember, creativity in the kitchen has no boundaries. Each slice of bread, dollop of spread, or sprinkle of topping is a chance to reinvent the act of snacking. So open your mind, get adventurous, and start experimenting, because when it comes to unique snacks, the sky is the limit, and your taste buds are the reward.